Hello class, this is Mrs. Sunaina Priya Das. I am going to teach you biology for class 12. Today's chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, and this is the continuation of the previous video. Today's topics are double fertilization, triple fusion, post-fertilization events. In post-fertilization event, we will take development of embryo from primary endosperm nucleus and development of embryo from zygote. Other events we will take in the next video. Now in previous video I have taught you about the structure of the megasporangium, and you have seen that how pollen tube has reached through filiform apparatus into the synergids. So on reaching synergid, pollen tube releases two male gametes into the cytoplasm of synergid. One of the male gamete fuse with egg nucleus to form a diploid cell called zygote. You can see here degenerating synergids are there, and zygote you can see here. This is the figure of the fertilized embryo sac showing zygote and primary endosperm nucleus. So you can see here, after fusing, the one gamete will fuse and it will form zygote. Now it will become 2N. It will become diploid. Other male gamete fuse with the polar nuclei. You have remembered two polar nuclei are found in the center. Now what will happen? One male gamete fuses with polar nuclei at the center to produce triploid primary endosperm nucleus. You can see here. And it will be 3N. It will be triploid. And this is termed as triple fusion. As syngamy and triple fusion take place simultaneously in the embryo sac, it is termed as double fertilization. Since one male gamete fuses with the egg cell and one is fusing with the primary, with the polar nuclei to form primary endosperm nucleus. So there are two fertilization, therefore it is called double fertilization. And why it is called triple fusion? Because primary endosperm nucleus becoming 3N, triploid. The central cell after fusion form primary endosperm cell, you can see here, which later develop into endosperm. The zygote later develops into an embryo. Now next is the post-fertilization events we will be studying. Development of endosperm from primary endosperm nucleus. Now children, you have seen here. Now endosperm development first followed by an embryo. Endosperm develops from PEN. You can see here primary endosperm nucleus. The PEN undergoes successive nuclear divisions to give rise to free nuclei, and this stage of endosperm development is called free nuclear endosperm. Subsequently, cell wall is formed and endosperm becomes cellular. This division is followed by cytokinesis, and thus endosperm becomes cellular. It is now called cellular endosperm. Now what are the functions of this endosperm? The cell of endosperm tissue are triploid and filled with reserve food materials to nourish the developing embryo. Okay, because endosperm develop first, so it will provide nourishment to the developing embryo. The water of tender coconut in the center is free nuclear endosperm. If you see coconut, so that water is free nuclear endosperm, and white kernel in the outer part is multicellular endosperm. Now the endosperm may be completely consumed by developing an embryo, like for example in pea in beans, or it may persist in mature seed like we can see in the coconut. Now embryo development. Now embryo, if you see here, the stages in embryo development in a dicot I have shown here. Embryo develops from zygote. You can see here zygote is here. at the micropylar end of embryo sac. The nutrition for development is provided by endosperm. The zygote divides to form proembryo. You can see here, proembryo is formed from the zygote. Now it is mitotic division. It divides mitotically. The different stages of developing proembryo, you can see here, are globular. It's globular embryo, then the heart-shaped embryo, and finally a mature embryo. In the last you can see the figure, suspensor, radical, plumule, cotyledon. This stage is the mature stage. Okay, zygote, then you can see basal cell, apical cell is developed, then the globular embryo is developed, then the heart-shaped embryo develops, and after that mature embryo which contains radical, plumule and cotyledon. Okay children, so this is all about today's video, that is double fertilization and the post-fertilization event, that is development of endosperm from primary endosperm nucleus and the development of embryo from zygote. So you prepare notes accordingly with the help of this diagram. Revise it. Stay at home. Stay healthy. God bless you all. Bye.